What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. So you decided to buy a Nintendo Switch controller and you're not sure which one. This might be the best control that you could get for the budget. I got this control, if I'm not mistaken, for 25 bucks. It does everything that I need. It's wireless, motion sensor. Important thing is Type-C and dual vibration. So let's open it up. Well, my son got too excited, so he opened it up quick. He opened it up as soon as he got it. So let's just reopen it then, I guess. Okay, I mean, it's a nice color. My son decided to get this color, so it's pretty dope. And let's see what else it comes with. All right, comes with a Type-C cable, which is pretty dope. And that's about it, I guess. So it's a nice control. My son messed up the control on his Nintendo Switch, which is right here. Mess it up. Thank God that I have the tempered glass. Everything that I'm gonna show, I'm gonna put a link down below so you can get it on Amazon. I'm not gonna get a kickback because I have to get 500 subs on my YouTube channel so I could get some kind of portion of kickback, but it is what it is. I just want to show everybody what you could get with a budget remote control for Nintendo Switch. So it's not bad. Basically, well, what I'm gonna do now is try to connect it to the control to the Nintendo Switch, and then I'm gonna let my son play with the Nintendo Switch so he could tell me how it feels. Does he like it or doesn't like it? So let's connect it to the Nintendo Switch. So to connect this control to the Nintendo Switch, all we gotta do is go to the control button right here, then go to change grid in order, and then press and hold down the H button in the middle, and then it's gonna blink a few times like that, and it's gonna pop up as your number one. And that's how easy it is to connect this control to the Nintendo Switch. So now we're gonna let my son play one of his favorite games and see how good is the control. Is it a major difference compared to one of these two bad boys? The reason is that I had to get a control for him was because this one circle one it got messed up. I don't know what happened. I don't know if he dropped it, most likely, but it messed up, and he preferred using one of these because he tried it before. So let's see how he likes the control. So one thing I forgot about talk about the control was that it has 500 milliamp on the battery. You could play for about 7 to 10 hours. That's what they say, and it takes about 2 hours to fully charge, which is not bad for $27 control. So Alexander, how you like the control?
It's really good. It makes your Fortnite good, and if you like your controllers go wild, you can just use this controller to calm you your Fortnite down.
Okay. So how the control feels in your hand?
It feels kind of foamy.
So is it better than the one you had before?
Yes.
Oh, you got a kill there.
Okay, good.
So tell people to stop by and subscribe to Kartoon Review.
Yes.
So tell them.
Subscribe and like the video.
Oh, dope. Thank you. Appreciate it. So you like your control, right?
Yes.
All right, awesome. So like my son said, make sure you like this video and subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Show him the peace sign.
Huh?
Show him the peace sign. Peace sign like this. Say peace.
Peace.